Hello guys, so here I'm having a VW Polo which have got noise from the rear shoes. So what we did is we take out the tires, take out our drums so that we get access to the rear shoes. So as you can see there, we took out our drum and see that okay, the shoes, they are fine, but what is making the noise from the brakes is because of the dust inside. So what we did is we cleaned the shoes. After cleaning the shoes, we did get the sandpaper and sand them down. Then after that, put back our drum and tested the car. Everything is perfect on this car. So guys, give us a call for any mechanical work. We are based in Randburg. And thank you guys.